Want to speed up your website's performance while improving your user experience? In this quick guide, we'll cover exactly how to optimize Proof for faster page load times, making sure your site runs smoother and your visitors stay engaged longer. You might be wondering how to get this done efficiently. Well, stick with me until the end, because I'll not only show you how, but I'll also reveal an exclusive offer for a free trial of Proof with bonuses that will take your site to the next level. Let's dive in. Optimizing Proof for faster page load times doesn't have to be a complicated process, and in fact, the changes you make today can have a significant impact on performance. First, make sure that Proof is loading asynchronously. This means Proof won't block other critical elements of your website from loading first, such as your content, which results in faster page loading overall. Another step you can take is to manage Proof's configuration settings. Proof allows you to specify which events should trigger its display on your site. For example, if Proof is set to load as soon as the page is open, it could be slowing down your load times. Instead, delay the appearance of Proof until after other essential elements, such as images and content, are loaded. By fine-tuning when Proof appears, you ensure it doesn't hinder your site's performance. Now, let's talk about caching. Caching Proof's data and content is another fantastic way to improve load times. When you cache Proof's content, you're ensuring that visitors who have already loaded your site don't need to load the same content over and over again. This is particularly effective for sites with frequent returning visitors, where cached content reduces the need for repeated data requests, speeding things up. Next, consider the size of your Proof widgets and the media they display. If you've customized your Proof elements with images or videos, make sure these are properly compressed to ensure they don't bog down load times. Large, uncompressed files can make any website sluggish. Tools like TinyPNG can help reduce file sizes without sacrificing quality. Something that's often overlooked is Proof's integration with third-party tools. If you're using Proof alongside other apps or scripts, make sure these are also optimized. For example, if Proof is working with a CRM or email service, ensure those integrations are running as efficiently as possible. Having multiple integrations can sometimes cause bottlenecks, so reviewing each one's performance is essential for optimizing load speeds. For more advanced optimization, take a look at your site's overall performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. This tool can highlight specific areas where Proof or other elements on your page may be slowing things down. Once you get that data, you'll have a clear picture of which changes will deliver the most significant improvements to your load times. Finally, don't forget about your hosting environment. If you're running a website on a slow server, no amount of optimization will make it fast. Proof will perform best when hosted on a high-speed server, so choose a reliable provider that offers performance-focused features. Now that you know how to optimize Proof for faster page load times, let me remind you that you can try Proof completely for free with the exclusive link below. This trial comes with bonuses that will help you get the most out of Proof, so make sure you check it out. To recap, optimizing Proof isn't just about making tweaks to the software itself. It's about integrating it seamlessly with your entire site, reducing file sizes, controlling when Proof displays, and optimizing your overall server performance. Follow these steps and you'll see faster load times, more engaged visitors, and a better user experience. Remember to grab that free trial using the link below. Don't miss out on these exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.